Here is the Kia Forte. Now this child door lock feature is only on the rear doors, not on the front door. So let's get started with the rear left door. Open the door and right over there is a slot. You'll need to get your car key and put it right in that slot and twist it right to activate the feature. Good. Now the feature is activated. I can still open the door from outside. However, from the inside, now no matter what I do, I should not be able to open the door. So lock position cannot open, unlock cannot open. But what am I going to do? I'm just going to slide over there and open up the right side door and get out because we haven't activated the feature over here yet. So open the door, open the left side door from outside, get the key again, put it in that slot and then twist it left to deactivate the feature. I can still open the door from outside, and now on the inside, when it's in the unlock position, I should be able to open the door. So lock cannot open and unlock I can open. That's good. Repeating the process for the right side door. Open the door, and the only small difference is you have to twist it left like the arrow points. Just twist it left to activate the feature. I can still open from outside, and from inside, no matter what I do, I cannot open it. However, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to just slide over there and open the left side door and get out. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure that you activate this feature on both the doors separately, because otherwise the child may just get out of the car seat, slide over there on the other side and open the door accidentally and get out. Open the door from outside now. Deactivate the feature. I can still open it from outside, and on the inside I should be able to open the door when it's in the unlock position, and yes, I can. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.